Hello everyone, in this video, we're going to set up alert notifications from Zabbix to Telegram, one of the most efficient ways to get notified the moment something goes wrong with your system. First, make sure you have a Zabbix server that is up and running. A Telegram account that's already logged in, either on your phone or web browser. Also, I highly recommend preparing a simple reference file like this to make the configuration process smoother. Now we're going to create a new Telegram bot that Zabbix will use to send alert messages. Make sure to select the official one with the blue check mark. Click the Start button to activate the bot. Next, click on New Bot to create a new bot. Next, create a username for your bot, and it must end with bot. Now, copy the token to the file you have prepared earlier. After creating the bot, now activate it so it's ready to send notifications. Now, let's move on to step 3, where we will retrieve the bot ID for configuration in Zabbix. Select the correct @MyBot on Telegram. Next, click Get ID to receive your chat ID. This is needed for the Zabbix configuration. Now, copy the bot ID you just retrieved. We'll use it to configure Zabbix in the next step. Next, we need to get the group ID to configure notifications to be sent to the Telegram group. Create a new Telegram group to receive notifications from Zabbix. After creating the group, add the bot you just created and the @MyBot bot to this group. Now, type the command /getGrouped at your -username in the group to get the group ID. Copy the group ID to use in the next configuration steps. We now have the token, bot ID, and group ID. That means the Telegram setup is complete. Next, let's move on to configuring Telegram in Zabbix. Scroll down and find Telegram in the media type list. In the To field, enter the group ID you retrieved in the previous step. In the Token field, enter the token of the bot you created earlier. Don't forget to check the Enable box to activate Telegram. Finally, Click Update to save the configuration and complete the integration of Telegram into Zabbix. Now, click Test to check if the configuration is correct. If you receive the Test Successful message, it means that Zabbix has successfully configured Telegram, and the bot will send notifications when events occur. After configuring the Telegram media type, the next step is to assign it to a user who will receive the alerts. Select Media tab, where we'll add the Telegram alert configuration. Click the Add button to add a new alerting method. In the Type field, select Telegram from the drop-down list. In the Send to field, enter the bot ID, chat ID, that you previously created and saved. Then click Update to save the alert configuration for this user. Now we'll create an action in Zabbix, which allows the system to automatically send alerts via Telegram whenever a problem is detected on monitored hosts. Click Create Action to start setting up the alert action. In the Name field, give your action a name. Next, switch to the Operations tab. In the default operation step duration field, set the interval between repeated alert actions. Click the Add button in the Operations section to add a new alert action. Select Zabbix Administrator. This is the default user with permission to receive alerts. In the Send to Media Type field, choose Telegram so that Zabbix knows to send the alerts via this channel. Click Add to save the action that sends alerts via Telegram. Similar to the Operations tab, switch to the Recovery Operations section to define what happens when a problem is resolved. After completing all configurations in tabs like Operations and Recovery Operations, click Add to save the entire alert action. And that's it! We've successfully configured the alert system via Telegram, both on the Telegram bot side and within Zabbix server. To make sure everything is configured correctly, we'll now run a test alert. Let's say you're monitoring ICMP connectivity to Google's IP address. Now we'll change this IP to a non-existent one to simulate a ping failure scenario. If you receive an alert in Telegram, it means your alerting system is working correctly. Alright, Telegram has successfully received the alert. Now, we'll revert the monitoring configuration back to the original IP address so the system resumes normal monitoring. The system will also automatically send a recovery alert once the issue has been resolved. That's it! We've completed the setup of Zabbix alerts via Telegram. See you in the next videos.